Welcome to Augmented Reality 101. Today, we'll be looking at the different types of augmented reality. And today, we'll focus on two types of augmented reality. And we'll look at the subtypes within each of these types of augmented reality. The very first type of augmented reality we'll talk about today is the marker-based AR or marker-based augmented reality. So the marker there means that there is a reference. The reference can be a QR code, the reference can be an image. So now what that simply means is that this type of augmented reality requires an image or a reference for it to track. So example of an AR that falls under this particular type is the image tracking AR. So in essence, we have an image that the augmented reality app recognizes and also track. So as I said in the last previous video and the video I showed, when you move the image around, the AR app is able to track that image around. And then the advantage of that happening is that it gives you the ability to do anything with that image. You can place a video on that image. You can place a 3D model on that image. You can place an animation on that image. You can place almost anything on that image. You can do almost anything on that image as long as this AR app recognizes that image. The second type of augmented reality is the markerless based augmented reality. As the name suggests, markerless means that there is no marker. So in essence, the phone is tracking using its sensors like the cameras, the gyroscope, the accelerometer, and different kinds of things. So one a good example of this is the plane detection AR. So plane detection is that your device or your AR app is able to determine horizontal planes and vertical planes. So you can recognize the wall, you can also recognize the floor. And it's able to do that using its sensors and the complex AR implementation. And it's able to also track its own position in your real space. So if your phone is standing here and you move your phone like this, the device or the app is able to track that it has moved from this position to this position. So that is markerless AR, and then you can do almost anything with it. When you detect the plane, you can place objects on the plane, you can place pictures, 3D pictures on the wall. You can do almost any stuff with that kind of AR. So basically, that is the two type of AR I'm going to talk about today. Then another markerless AR we have is something called location-based AR. So this uses GPS to be able to detect your particular location and allow you to place virtual objects in that location. So if a person goes to that location, he or she will be able to see those virtual objects in that location. Follow and like. Thank you.